This shower head has a built-in scalp scrubber that helps to remove any product buildup you have in your hair. Not to mention it feels amazing. This sleek design shower head has 4 different modes. The first mode is a steam mode, which is great for a relaxing shower experience. The next is a rainfall mode, which is great for kids and a nice one to wind down with.
260,000 views have generated a steady stream of orders for creators. We offer it at factory price below 39 cents. Shopify stores typically sell it for $29.90, so the profit potential is huge. You focus on marketing and product testing while we automate order fulfillment. Every order includes a live shipping video to ensure product quality and delivery authenticity. We can print your logo for free to enhance your branding.